USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about the dollar against the yen. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. All these buttons are for you and they are free. Below the video you'll find a link which says swing like a pro. So click on this link and then come to this page right here. And you can check out these recent setups and trades which we have taken. You can watch these videos. They're short videos, 2 minutes long. And then you can join this program if you want to enter an exit with me. Coming back, if you want to talk to me one-to-one, you can book consultation right here, and you can always join my free Telegram. So get into my Telegram. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are above the EMI. It's quite simple. Actually, this pair is quite simple. Weekly we are above the EMI, and daily we are above the EMI. As you can see, 4 hour as well, we are trying to go up. So if you see here, this is your new uptrend, pull back, a new high, new low, this HL. Okay, so this is your higher high, higher low, higher high. So it's starting the uptrend in 4 hour. So as per daily we are above the EMA. As per weekly we are above the EMA. Two higher time frames are above the EMA. So look for longs only in USDJPY after the pullbacks. Okay, that's it. Having said that, analysis is one thing, but precise entry and exit is different thing. If you want to precisely enter and exit with me, join this program, Swing Like a Pro. Till then, subscribe, like, and share. Take care.